Are you done?
No.
I would prefer that you didn't use my coffee stirrers as drumsticks.
They're all drumsticks.
That balloon has not deflated yet, so it's still on the ceiling.
Woo. This is the flock. This is the flock, Mommy.
Oh.
No, this is the flock. See this? No. See, this is the flock.
Oh,
No,
okay.
this is the floss. No,
Are you gonna finish your job?
This is the floss.
You didn't finish putting the dishes away. I mean the spoons and forks away.
Wait, let me make some more. We got to do it. Because in here.
Yep. Okay. Over there? Nope, that one right there. Good job. That one goes in the other drawer. Good job. Look at you doing the dishes.
I'm done.
Our internet is currently out, so we are watching movies on the TV until they fix that problem. So this has been flashing like all morning, off and on, and apparently there's an outage in the area, so it's like pretty rainy outside, so I don't know if it's because of the weather or what's going on, but nobody in the area has any sort of internet or TV services right now, so that's super fun. So movies it is. I'm just cleaning the kitchen because we cleaned out the refrigerator with like random leftovers and stuff because we have to go grocery shopping. So we have an abundance of dishes. This is gonna be the third dishwasher load, so I'm just unloading the dishwasher, and then I have to load all these dishes, and I can clean off the counters and everything because they are a mess right now. Yeah, I have my coffee. I have it in my little take it to go cup. I actually got it was like a 2-pack of these. I got them from the Dollar Tree. And funny enough, I left my coffee at the front door this morning when I was going to take the kids to school, and realized when I got halfway up the street that my coffee was still sitting outside my door on our little thing that I sat it on the little ledge so that I could lock the door, and left it right there. So yeah, that was fun for me. But now I have you, so back to doing some housework. So I'm on the way to my chiropractor. Well, this is like a new chiropractor for me because this is a new car accident. I'm pretty pissed. I literally just got my truck like a month and a half ago, and I am already having to contemplate getting yet another one. Like, car shopping is not fun for me. It's not like this fun and exciting thing. I don't like getting new cars. Like, it's just not a fun process. Like, I don't know who says that it's fun, but it's definitely not fun. And I'm just really pissed that people can be so irresponsible that they just don't know how to drive, pay attention, anything. So yeah, I'm on the way to the chiropractor, and then after that I'm going to my grandma's house because that's where Liliana is while I'm at the chiropractor. I'm gonna go back to my grandma's house, pick them up, and then we're going to the store. And then after we go to the store, I'll probably drop my grandma back off home, and then I have to go home and like walk the dogs and do all that fun stuff. And then later on I am going to Brianna's school because, well, I'm going to the school that Brianna will be performing at because she has her last dance show. Gosh, I can't talk. She has her last dance show this coming Friday, so I'm going today, this evening after school, to help her dance teacher wrangle up all the kids because there's like over 50 kids, I think, that she has to kind of watch and keep an eye on, and while also trying to get them all together for making sure their dance is all choreographed and put together. So I'm going there to help her out, keeping an eye on the kids. I think there's going to be some other parents there too helping out as well, so we're just volunteering to kind of help her out so she's not so overwhelmed with literally all of her dance classes together in one area. So I'm gonna go do that later on, and then head home, cook dinner and all that jazz. What are you eating? Did you give her sister a cookie?
Where is Mark? I'm not playing, let's go. I went on their comment.
So I am home now. It is like 10:45. I just dropped Liliana off at my grandma's house because I have to work this evening. My living room is a complete nightmare, so I'm gonna try and get that straightened out and get my kitchen straightened for the most part. I did the dishes mostly last night, so I only have like a few dishes like in the sink that have to be taken care of, but nothing too crazy. We had pizza last night, so it was just pizza boxes, so I already threw those out. But I'm going to clean the living room up a little bit because it is super messy, and then I'm going to shower and get ready for work. I might do like a mini get ready with me in the vlog, since I haven't done one of those in a few vlogs, I think. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. My neck is killing me. This whole car accident situation is extremely stressful, especially since I have literally only had my truck for like a month. Pretty pissed about that, but you know, we're just gonna try and keep it moving. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with right now. I've just got a bunch of stuff everywhere. Everybody just kind of destroyed my living room. So there's toys and dolls and clothes and everything everywhere. I've already taken the dogs out. They were actually in their house because I literally just walked in the house. So I'm gonna clean up and then probably take them out again and then go get ready for work and try and have as good a day as I can, I guess. Alexa, play Casey Musgraves' Slow Burn.
Slow Burn by Casey Musgraves.
Born in a hurry, always late, haven't been early since '88. Taking all the time, let the world turn.
Okay, so finished cleaning. Alexa, stop. Okay, so I finished cleaning everything. Got all the stickiness off the table, vacuumed, cleaned everything up. So now I have to go upstairs so that I can start getting ready for work. The doggies are napping. I most definitely, nobody told me that we were out of trash bags, so I had to stuff everything in like a Walmart bag, and I will have to go to the store and grab trash bags. So yay for that. But it is about, it's 12:03 right now, so I'm gonna get ready to get dressed and showered and all that fun stuff. It's still like super gloomy out today. Like there's a very humdrum day, which kind of fits my mood here right now. So I'm not really mad at it. I wish I could be at home sleeping, but whatever. I'm gonna change the wax cubes and all my wax warmers and refill my diffuser, and then go upstairs and get ready for work. So I am currently on the way to work. It is a disgusting day. Once again, it has literally rained all week long. I didn't get a chance to record like getting ready or anything, just because I'm just in like a really like terrible funk right now. Like this car accident and everything that has come with it has just really rattled me and stressed me out to like no end. So I just kind of listened to music and did my makeup and got dressed and everything and showered and just kind of did it that way. But yeah, it's pretty disgusting outside. It is gross. It's been like this for the last week. The last few days have been like crazy rainy, so this is what we're dealing with all day, every day right now. So yay for that. I'm getting ready to head into work. I'm almost to work, and then when I get out of work, I was gonna go to the store before I went to work so I didn't have to go when I got out, but I'm probably gonna end up having to go after work because I don't really feel like getting out in this rain, and I'm hoping that it is not raining when I get out of work, so at least I can go into the store without all of the rain and everything. But yeah, this is just like a super dreary day this week, kind of like engulfs my mood, so there's that. actual camera mount. I have like my little handheld like tripod for my vlogging camera, but since I didn't know I was getting a vlogging camera for Mother's Day, I did not get a camera mount because there wasn't any camera mounts that would fit in my car that would fit on my camera at home, because it's like a bigger camera, so it's not like a vlogging camera or like a handheld camera. It's just like a smaller DSLR camera, so that way it's easier for like travel and stuff, so it's a little more compact, but it's not that compact. It's not like a handheld camera. So I'm like extremely grateful for my husband and kids picking out my vlogging camera, but now I have to go to Best Buy so that way I can get an actual camera mount, because I now have a camera to mount. It's kind of depressing that I won't be able to mount it in my vehicle because it is crashed, but prayerfully God will see us through and we will once again start over with yet another vehicle. And I'm just praying that after this is all said and done, like, that is it. I do not want anyone else running into me. Like, please keep your tailboat driving somewhere else, or just stay home. Don't drive at all. Like, oh, this is just terrible. But yeah, so I am gonna stop at Starbucks, grab my coffee, and then head into work. So I will see you guys later on.